Hi, my name is Seifu Tolasa. Welcome to Bayise Tutor to our today's discussion. I'm back weeks ago today, so I'm gonna discuss today Bayise Tutor, writer, and assignment helper underwriting project about this, how to create writer and assignment helper account, and how to be connected to student or writing applicant, and we will see how writing assignments can be created and completed. Okay, let's start from opening our website Bayise Tutor. So we can just search as bayisetutor.com, or we can Google. We want Bayise Tutor. We can search Bayise Tutor from Google if we want, or we can say bayisetutor.com, or we can find by searching Bayise Tutor, then bayisetutor.com. We click here. Then we discussed a lot about the home page. We can see the home page, the information about Bayise Tutor. There are suggested tutors, suggested writers, or writing up suggested assignment helpers, suggested video courses are listed here. We can see that. Okay. There is one-to-one tutoring session. One-to-one tutoring session contains direct bidding, direct booking, and bidding session, and there is group class, upload or purchase course video, become a writer, or hire a professional writer or writing applicant, like that. Okay. There is blog here, every information. Okay. Let's start as a writer. Let's create a writing a writing or assignment helper account. We can start from here. We can start from here. So I'm creating a writer account or a writing applicant account. I mean a writer or assignment helper account. Assignment helper account. This is content writing and assignment help. If we click here, we can see the kinds of content writings a writer can write, or the kind of assignment helper can use, can help. So there is copywriting, sales writing, content writing, SEO writing, online writing, blog writing, and others. And for assignments, for school assignments, we can see here assignment help elementary school, assignment help homework help general, secondary school, and so on. So we can select some or all of them, no problem. Let me click 2 or 3 of them for selection. Then we can save it. After we save it, it will take us to this screen. So are you a writer, writing applicant, or student, or tutor? Let's I'm gonna say I'm a writer. So when I click as a writer, if you have an account, you can sign in directly using your account. If you don't have account, you can create a new account. How? Here it says register. You can click register. Then let's say writer test. Writer test, just because this is example. And the email may be writer as at writer.com. Area country code is US. Phone is this. Phone number and the password. Confirm the password. Then you can read terms and policies. Then agree to terms. You can click read, you can click read. Then I'm gonna click next. Then OTP is sent to your email. OTP is one-time password. One-time password. It is already sent to my email account. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. Verify it. Then your personal information, your photo ID. Let me use this one. You can put your photo ID. Then discovery email. We discussed what discovery email is already. Then date of birth, let's say date of birth, the year, first select the year, and the month, then the date. Then next. Okay, now we need address. Let's say address is 100 Moray Flemings, and not Australia. North Goodman. North Goodman. Okay, this is okay. We got already. Then click next. Your education level, maybe high school completed. The price you ask per page for the project per page. Then ID. We need ID, photo ID, and the resume certificate will be helpful. Okay. Next. Loading. So we already added our documents, photo ID, resume, and the certificates. Let's wait. It might take a little bit because the documents are big documents, image documents. Yes, we already selected this content writing types and assignment helps. We don't have to select again, so we can go next. We can select our writing language, English, Amharic, like that, we can say, or Afan Oromo. Next, bank information, account holder name, bank name, account number, routing number, last social security number, address, after you write city, it will bring you to your address automatically. ID is required here, photo ID is required here. Then save. Waiting to save the bank information. It's loading. Okay. Bank details updated successfully. The next step is subscription. There is no need of subscription because this platform doesn't ask subscription. Just this is zero. So you don't have to pay anything to use monthly. So it is free. So you can say buy later. Assignment help. So these are this is take exam. This is the time when we must take exam. So we can take exam for each courses we already selected. Let me click here. So anyone must pass exam to use this platform. Click I agree to the terms and condition. This is exam. So I don't want to read anything. Just to go over it. Just to go over it. However, you must pass the exam to use this tutoring access or writing access or assignment helping access. So almost done. Submit. We're done. Just 5 questions. So passed. Congratulations. It says congratulations. You have passed the exam. Okay, great. We can click that. So at home screen, a rider or assignment helper see any project he was requested by students, but there is no any request yet because we are new. This account is new for using Bayise Tutor, and when you click my session, you see your schedule, which project is gonna be due soon, the due date of each project. You have chatting system, chatting option at another side, and account. When we click account, we see this information. I have already discussed about this information, but the only thing I want to add here is about writing project, content writing, and assignment help type. So that is the type of the project that you're gonna work. I already selected this. You can add at any time later. We can add this like that. Then there is nothing you do here. When students or writing applicants or assignment help in needing people ask you about this, you just they request you the project the requests come to here. Okay, let's pass to another part. This is we already created, we already seen how writing account is created. Now the time is to try to connect the student and the writer and the student to assignment helper, how students can be helped by a writer or assignment helper. This is that. Let me approve first. This tutor must be approved. Let me approve this. This writer must be approved to get access to connection to the student. This is the new person who was who create an account. So he already approved. He passed the exam. There are 3 steps needed to get access to the student. Being approved by admin, already approved. Bank information, already added bank information, and the passing exam. Exam is already passed. Now the next step is gonna be I'm gonna sign in as a student and show you how students request a project. I'm opening Bayise Tutor. So let me sign. Let me switch to student. Switch user. We can say switch user. They sign in as a student. Okay, let's see if it works. Sign in. I have signed in as a student. Now, what we're gonna do is what is this? Project bit, yes. This is session bit. This is project bit. So for assignments, for assignments, or for writing for writing projects, we're gonna use that part. We're gonna do this part. So we click that. When we click that, the bidding process takes place. So first, we put our assignment or our title. Let's say our title is maths assignment. Content writing type is, we can select an assignment. Maths assignment from maths, let's say assignment help pre-calculus. Number of pages, maybe 6. Budget, how much you can pay for an assignment helper. We can, that is, I said 53 to 78, and describe It is pre-calculus about functions and relations, or relation and function, we can say like that. And the due date, the deadline of the project can be February 20, and you can add PDF file. If you want to add a file, you can attach PDF file, then the bid, submit the project bid or your assignment bid. The no rider found of your selected. Yeah, so no one is found to be contacted because nobody didn't select this kind. So what we're gonna do is, after the writer or the applicant found, currently you cannot do anything. If there is any writer who selected this kind of project, uh, you can send it, but currently you cannot send because there is no writer. So I'm gonna select another kind of content writing that is called copywriting. Okay, let's say sales writing. Then describe, deadline, attach the file, submit. Now it must there must be another writer or writing application. Yeah, congratulations, your bid request has been successfully sent. Because there is a writer who can write this kind of project, it already successfully sent it. So now I'm gonna open a writer account. Okay, I'm gonna open a writer account. This is the student. Let me open as a writer. Sign in. Yes. So now what we see, there is a request. Page record is 20 page. The deadline is like this. Then we're gonna proceed. So the writer is gonna proceed now. He can open to see the detail. Then the budget is 72,207. Confirm it. Then offer. So already put 72,207. So I can offer 75. Then send the bid. Payment has been done for this code. Okay. Then let's go back to the student, and we can make this is a tutor. A tutor can chat a student as well, or a student can chat a tutor to discuss about this to make edit. Hi, can I give you, can I write by 75 US dollar for you? You can write like this, then send. Then student can answer anything. Okay, let me switch an account. Switch the student. Okay. A student gets that information from another place. That is writing project and assignment help there. You must open this part, this place. Then you got already a response from a tutor. If you click that, you got an offer, $75, and you can chat as well. No, or yes, you can say, let's say yes, yes, it's better. Yes, that is fine. I will check it out. So a student can answer in this way by chatting. Then let's go back to check out the payment. So confirm it. Student already confirmed. Query request has been accepted. Then teacher confirms this acceptance as well. So let's switch to teacher. No, I mean rider. Sorry. Okay. Let's switch to rider. Sign in. Okay, yeah, already the information is here. Confirm code. So a tutor, a writer is coding, confirming. Now it is the last step is student is gonna pay, gonna process the payment. So let's switch to the student. Now the student gets this information from project bid or from notification. He might get from notification as well, not only from bidding. But I don't know, it is not seen here, but it must be there. Okay, no problem. Writing project and assignment help. When you open that, you get that response. Yes, there is response. When we click that, we see the book and the pay now. And you can chat again, or you can book and pay now. The offered price is $75. Click book and pay. Now your name already put here, address. It comes. It fills by itself. Next. There is credit card system. There is manual system. So let me add credit card. Manual system is fine as well, but I wanna pay by credit card. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Oh, this is card holder name. This is card number. The expiry date. Expiry date, let's say March 2021. Or there is year. Okay, let's say 22. Problem. Then CVV code. Hajj. Card already added. We can pay now, or we can pay. We can make manual payment. Actually, I don't want to make manual payment, but we can do that as well. There is manual payment system. Book now. It took me back. Next. So you can select one of them. I already selected the card. Pay. Congratulations, your bid request has been successfully sent and the rider will accept the request in short time. Okay, great. Now we're done. So this is a student. If we open an account and we see my project, now booking, payment is already accepted. Page is 20 page. Deadline is here, but we are waiting what tutor does. So let's go to tutor. I mean, what rider does. Let's go to rider. Payment already done. Now writer will do anything that he wants. He can accept, he can reject the project. If he accepts the project, he already accepted. No need of that. No need of accepting. No need of doing anything. So now the process is tutor will work on the project. So let's go to my session. Yes, under my session is here. My session is here. Under my session, you see the schedules. What kind of project you have is listed under my session. So the project, you have one project, the project due on February 19. So you click here. You see the project detail by opening this one, and you can read this. You can read the project detail. Then you can start the session or start the project. After you click start the project, you can write it now. You are writing the project now. After you complete the project, you submit it. Working on your project. Then now it says the status says the project is ongoing. Then after you complete the project, you can talk with your student. You can chat with the student. You can discuss about that. You can send the chat after the student agree, after the student is happy to the project. you can complete it. Okay. Oh, my session. Under my session, click here. The project is undergoing complete. To complete the project, save, attach the file, the project you already done, attach your file, then save it. Session has been completed. Now the last step is you already sent the subject, the project to your student. Now the time is to give a star and review. You can give 4, 3, up to 5. Then you can say this writer is an excellent writer. Then submit it, or you can say no thanks, I don't want to give a review. Thank you for your review. So this project has been completed. Now the status is in completed status. That's it. So project already sent. This project is completed. Yeah, this is what I want to talk today. Thank you for watching us. Thank you. Share to your friends and use Bayise Tutor. Bayise Tutor is an advanced technology of the 2021. Let's use it. Use Bayise Tutor. Thank you for following and liking us. Thank you. Bye for today.